Look at Coop and Dalton look the same.
No, we don't.
Oh, Coop.
Oh, my God. Ow. Cooper, are you a good boy? High five? You pound it? There you go. No.
Look at the ferrets, you guys. Look how cute. And this guy's crazy. Are you crazy? You say hi to the Chump Squad? What's up, Chump Squad? You should take one out.
I'm trying. I don't know how it opens.
He's cute. Oh. Aww.
Come on. Go.
Hold it out. Aww.
Hey there.
You're so cute.
Oh, he's on his wheel.
Run.
That dog does not want to go.
Run on me.
He does not want to leave the ferrets.
This dog does not want to leave those ferrets.
He loves them.
They're so crazy though. We bought new pillows at HomeSense. I'm so excited to use these. We bought this cat ball thing that you can put his treats in.
He's already going psycho.
But the treats are gonna fall out of that.
Well, I don't know. We'll see.
So we'll see how he likes this ball.
Jokes, you want treats? You want treats? Jokes?
There.
I wonder if he's gonna figure it out. He's trying to figure it out. He doesn't know what's going on. Oh.
You can hear them in there. Where are they? He's just eating the treats because they're falling out. Oh. They're in that ball, Shugs.
Is there more in there?
Yeah. No.
It's in here. Oh, it fell out already. He doesn't understand.
Not at all. He thinks they just disappear.
He doesn't get it.
He doesn't get it at all.
No.
He just eats the tree from it.
He will honestly go psycho and attack your hand if you have treats in your hand, so. They're in the ball. Now he knows.
Oh.
He's gonna try and eat the ball.
I think he's got to hear it.
Oh, now he's gonna figure it out.
Oh.
Now he's gonna.
No, he's not. He does not get what's happening.
Oh, he's got the wiggle going on. Cooper's got the mouse with the string though. Throw that mouse for Cooper. Throw it over there, cause then he'll go get it. He'll get the mouse, and then the cat will take the. Oh, maybe not. Cooper can't pull it because the cat's holding it. Coop, come here.
This is how you entertain two animals at once.
You tie the dog toy to a string. Oh, he does not like that. It's one of those toys where you pull the string, it like runs away or whatever, so it vibrates in his mouth. He did not like that at all. Is that what he's trying to do? Oh, he's just poking his head out. That was hilarious. Whoa! He just jumped over your. How do I entertain 3 animals at once? He's coming for you. No! What the heck? Cooper's never done that. Yeah. Oh, Cooper. You scared him. Get him to run after you again. I think that's why Cooper came over there. Well, how would you feel if something 5 times the size of you came running at you and then just stopped? Cooper's just watching him. Now he's gonna wonder and get curious and climb in those when we're gone. Oh my god! I think his right foot's stuck. Oh no, it's not. No! I... Okay, this is where Cooper's gonna run.
That's the first time ever Coop's chased a cat. He went in the bag.
Where's the kitty? Cooper, where is he? Cooper, where's the kitty?
He's finally playing with
Where's the kitty?
Oh my god, we caught the first time ever.
Yeah, this is the first time they actually played with each other. All the footage today is pretty much gonna be of the 3 animals. I'm sick, I don't really feel like doing anything. But we're still trying to get a good, decent vlog up for you guys today. I managed to pick up some strep throat somewhere. She hasn't been feeling great either. But that's all taken care of. Now we gotta get me taken care of and I have to take medicine. So this is what we're doing tonight. Hopefully we can get back into routine sometime this week. Start going back to the gym again and stuff. Look at how big he is. Takes up the whole screen.
Guy looks exactly like Ronnie from Jersey Shore. Doesn't he? Oh my god, this is Ronnie from Jersey